Windows play a vital role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics of your home. In Washington, where weather conditions range from rainy winters to sunny summers, proper window maintenance is essential to ensure their longevity and performance. Regular upkeep not only enhances the lifespan of your windows but also helps you save on costly repairs and replacements. Here's how you can extend the life of your windows with proper maintenance in Washington. Clean your windows regularly. Keeping your windows clean is a fundamental aspect of maintenance. Over time, dirt, dust, and debris accumulate on window glass, frames, and tracks, leading to wear and tear. Use a mild soap solution or vinegar-based cleaner to clean window panes. Wipe down window frames with a damp cloth to remove grime. Clean window tracks using a vacuum or a small brush to prevent buildup. Regular cleaning not only improves visibility but also prevents deterioration caused by prolonged exposure to pollutants. Inspect and repair window seals. Washington's varying temperatures can cause window seals to expand and contract, leading to potential gaps and air leaks. Damaged seals reduce energy efficiency, allowing drafts and moisture to enter your home. Check the seals around your windows for cracks or gaps. Reapply weather stripping or caulking to seal any leaks. If you notice condensation between double-pane windows, it may indicate a failed seal that requires professional attention. Lubricate moving parts. Windows that open and close smoothly last longer and function efficiently. Over time, hinges, tracks, and locks may become stiff due to dust and lack of lubrication. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to window tracks and hinges. Avoid using oil-based lubricants, as they attract more dirt and grime. Test the operation of your windows regularly to ensure smooth functionality. Check for water damage and rot. Washington's rainy climate makes moisture control crucial for window maintenance. Water damage can lead to mold growth and wood rot, especially in wooden window frames. Inspect the area around your windows for signs of moisture damage, such as peeling paint or soft wood. Repaint or reseal wooden window frames periodically to protect against moisture. Ensure proper drainage around windows to prevent water buildup. Maintain window screens. Window screens allow fresh air into your home while keeping bugs and debris out. However, screens can accumulate dirt, become loose, or develop tears over time. Remove screens and wash them with soapy water. Check for holes or tears and repair or replace damaged screens. Ensure screens fit securely within the window frame to prevent pests from entering. Protect windows from extreme weather. Washington experiences seasonal storms and strong winds, which can impact window longevity. Protecting your windows from extreme weather conditions helps prevent structural damage. Install storm windows or protective coverings during harsh weather conditions. Trim nearby trees to prevent branches from damaging your windows. Consider impact-resistant windows if your home is in an area prone to high winds. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. If your windows are old or inefficient, consider upgrading to energy-efficient models that offer better insulation and durability. Energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and double-pane glass can withstand Washington's climate while reducing energy costs. Look for Energy Star certified windows for maximum efficiency. Consult a professional for installation to ensure proper sealing and insulation. Upgrading windows can add value to your home while reducing long-term maintenance needs. Conclusion: proper window maintenance is key to extending their lifespan and keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient in Washington's unique climate. By regularly cleaning, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, checking for water damage, and protecting against extreme weather, you can prevent premature wear and costly replacements. Investing time in maintaining your windows ensures they remain functional, attractive, and efficient for years to come. If your windows require professional maintenance or replacement, consult a trusted window expert in Washington for guidance and solutions tailored to your home's needs.